We often take for granted the complex journey that goods make to reach us. From raw materials to finished products, a vast network of transport and logistics brings the world to our doorstep. What we don't always see are the potential dangers hidden within this supply chain. Everyday items, from cleaning products to batteries, can pose significant risks if not handled and transported correctly. These are known as dangerous goods, and their safe management is crucial to protect people, property, and the environment. Dangerous goods are substances or articles that pose a risk to health, safety, property, or the environment when transported. They can be found in almost every industry, from manufacturing and mining to healthcare and agriculture. The transport and logistics sector plays a critical role in moving these goods, making it essential to have robust safety regulations in place. Failing to comply with these regulations can have severe consequences. Accidents involving dangerous goods can result in fires, explosions, spills, and releases of toxic fumes. These incidents can cause injuries, fatalities, environmental damage, and economic losses. The potential for harm underscores the need for stringent regulations and comprehensive training for everyone involved in the supply chain. This ensures the safe handling, transport, and storage of dangerous goods, minimizing risks and protecting lives and livelihoods. In Australia, the Australian Dangerous Goods ADG Code provides a comprehensive framework for the safe management of dangerous goods throughout the supply chain. These rules are not just guidelines, they are legal obligations enforced by various authorities. Understanding and adhering to the ADG Code is not just a matter of compliance, it's a shared responsibility that safeguards our communities and our environment. The ADG Code covers a wide range of aspects related to dangerous goods, from classification and packaging to labelling, documentation, handling, storage, and transport. It provides a standardised system that ensures consistency and clarity across all states and territories in Australia. By adhering to these rules, businesses and individuals involved in the supply chain contribute to a safer and more secure environment for everyone. The ADG Code is a vital tool for businesses involved in the transport and logistics of dangerous goods. It provides a clear roadmap for compliance, helping businesses avoid costly penalties and reputational damage. More importantly, it empowers them to operate safely and responsibly, protecting their employees, the public, and the environment. By understanding the ADG Code and implementing its requirements, businesses can demonstrate their commitment to safety and contribute to a more resilient and sustainable supply chain. This proactive approach not only mitigates risks, but also enhances efficiency, improves stakeholder confidence, and fosters a culture of safety within the organisation. The Australian Dangerous Goods Code, ADG Code, is the cornerstone of dangerous goods regulation in Australia. Developed by the Australian Transport Safety Bureau, it governs classification, packaging, labelling, documentation, handling, storage, and transport of dangerous goods. Regular updates align it with international standards and best practices. The ADG Code is user-friendly and accessible to a wide range of stakeholders. It includes chapters on classification, packaging, labelling, documentation, and transport regulations. This ensures clear guidance for manufacturers, shippers, transport operators, and emergency responders. The ATSB engages with stakeholders to keep the code relevant and effective. The ADG code derives its legal authority from Commonwealth, state, and territory legislation. This legislation establishes the legal basis for enforcing the code's provisions. One such legislation is the Work Health and Safety (WHS) Act. It provides a framework for managing work-related health and safety risks. Another key legislation is the Transport of Dangerous Goods by Road and Rail Act. It covers vehicle standards, driver training, and emergency response procedures. Failure to comply can result in severe consequences, including fines and imprisonment. Prioritizing compliance ensures safety and environmental protection. Section 1. 9 classes of dangerous goods. The world of dangerous goods is vast and varied, encompassing a wide range of substances and articles that pose potential hazards during transport. The ADG code categorises dangerous goods into 9 distinct classes based on their primary hazard. This classification system is fundamental to the ADG code, as it underpins all other aspects of dangerous goods management. Each class represents a specific type of hazard, allowing for tailored safety precautions and emergency response procedures. For instance, Class 1 comprises explosives, which require stringent handling and storage protocols. Conversely, Class 9 encompasses miscellaneous dangerous goods that still pose a potential hazard during transport. Understanding these classifications is paramount for anyone involved in the dangerous goods supply chain. By understanding the characteristics and potential hazards associated with each class, businesses and individuals can implement appropriate safety measures. This knowledge is crucial for preventing accidents, protecting people and the environment, and ensuring the smooth and safe operation of the entire dangerous goods supply chain. Section 2. UN numbers and proper shipping names. The ADG code uses the globally harmonised system, GHS, for classifying hazardous chemicals. GHS provides a standardised approach to hazard classification and labelling. UN numbers identify dangerous goods. Each UN number corresponds to specific substances. For example, gasoline is UN 1203, sulfuric acid is UN 1830. Proper shipping names, PSNs, describe dangerous goods during transport. PSNs provide clear descriptions for easy identification. Correct UN numbers and PSNs ensure safe handling and compliance. The ADG code lists UN numbers and PSNs for classification and safety. Section 1. Packaging for safe transit. The safe transport of dangerous goods relies heavily on using appropriate packaging. The ADG code outlines stringent packaging requirements to ensure that dangerous goods are contained securely. These regulations cover packaging materials, construction standards, closure mechanisms, and performance testing. The selection of packaging materials is paramount in ensuring the safe containment of dangerous goods. The ADG code specifies compatible materials for each class of dangerous goods. For example, highly corrosive substances may require packaging made from resistant plastics or metals. Flammable liquids necessitate containers with vapor-tight closures. The construction of packaging plays a crucial role in maintaining its integrity during transit. The ADG code mandates that packaging must withstand vibrations, shocks, and stacking pressures. This involves adhering to specific design specifications. ensuring the packaging remains intact and prevents any unintentional release of its contents. The ADG code mandates a series of performance tests. These tests simulate the conditions that packaging may encounter during transport. Packaging must pass these tests to demonstrate its ability to withstand the rigours of transit, providing a crucial layer of safety for those involved in the supply chain and the surrounding environment. By adhering to these stringent packaging requirements, businesses can significantly minimise the risk of accidents. This proactive approach ensures compliance with regulations and safeguards the well-being of transport workers, the public, and the environment. The careful selection, construction, and testing of packaging are integral components of a robust and responsible dangerous goods management system. Section 2. Labels of warning and guidance. Effective communication of hazards is paramount in the safe handling and transport of dangerous goods. The ADG code mandates a comprehensive system of labelling and marking to provide clear and concise information about the hazards associated with dangerous goods. These labels and markings serve as visual warnings, providing essential guidance to those who handle, transport, or may come into contact with these goods. Hazard labels, a key element of this system, are standardized pictograms that visually represent the specific dangers posed by the goods. These labels, typically diamond-shaped and brightly colored, feature symbols that convey information about the nature of the hazard, such as flammability, toxicity, corrosivity, or explosivity. The use of universally recognized symbols transcends language barriers, ensuring that the message is understood by anyone handling the goods, regardless of their native tongue. In addition to hazard labels, the ADG code requires packages to display specific markings, providing supplementary information about the contents. These markings include the UN number, proper shipping name, technical names of the substances, hazard class and division, subsidiary risk labels, if applicable, consignor and consignee information, and other relevant details. The markings provide a comprehensive overview of the goods characteristics, enabling informed decision-making and safe handling practices throughout the supply chain. The placement and visibility of labels and markings are critical to their effectiveness. The ADG code dictates that labels and markings must be displayed prominently on the package's surface, ensuring they are easily visible and legible. They should be located away from any seams or closures to minimize the risk of damage or obscuring during handling. Proper placement ensures that the critical information is readily available to those who need it, facilitating safe handling, storage, and transport. By adhering to these stringent labeling and marking requirements, businesses contribute to a safer and more informed supply chain. These visual cues provide essential information about the hazards of dangerous goods, enabling everyone involved to take appropriate precautions, minimize risks, and respond effectively in an emergency. The clear and consistent communication of hazards is a cornerstone of responsible, dangerous goods management, fostering a culture of safety and compliance throughout the supply chain. Essential paperwork for dangerous goods. Safe transport of dangerous goods relies on proper packaging, labelling, and robust documentation. Documents convey critical information about hazards, quantities, and emergency procedures. Accurate documentation ensures safe handling, storage and transport, minimising risks. The Dangerous Goods Declaration, DGD, is crucial, detailing inventory and compliance. The DGD accompanies goods, providing essential information to operators and responders. It enables informed decision-making and appropriate emergency response actions. The Emergency Response Guide, ERG, provides crucial information for handling emergencies. It includes hazard identification, initial response actions, and protective measures. ERGs must be readily accessible in vehicles carrying dangerous goods. Section 2. Maintaining a record of safety. Record keeping is essential for dangerous goods management, ensuring compliance and continuous improvement. The ADG Code mandates specific record keeping requirements for transparency and accountability. These records provide evidence of compliance and insights for enhancing safety protocols. Businesses must maintain accurate records of their activities. Records include details of goods received, stored, transported, and disposed of, along with training, incidents, and inspections. Proper record keeping demonstrates compliance, facilitates audits, and identifies areas for improvement. The ADG Code specifies retention periods for various records, ensuring information is available when needed. Records play a crucial role in investigations, audits, and legal proceedings. Proper record keeping is a legal obligation and a best practice for a safer supply chain. Safe handling practices, minimising risks at every touch point. Handling dangerous goods requires strict safety protocols. Every interaction presents potential risks that must be mitigated through proper training and PPE. Emphasising safety at every touch point is crucial for preventing accidents. Training forms the bedrock of safe handling practices. Comprehensive training programs cover hazard identification and emergency response. This training ensures workers perform their duties safely and confidently. PPE provides an essential barrier between workers and potential hazards. Employers must provide appropriate PPE and ensure it is worn correctly. Safe handling techniques are crucial for minimising the risk of accidents and spills. This includes using mechanical aids and ensuring proper ventilation. Regular inspections of handling areas and equipment are essential. By addressing potential hazards, businesses can create a safer working environment. Storage requirements. A place for everything and everything in its place. Proper storage of dangerous goods is crucial for a secure and compliant facility. The ADG Code outlines specific storage requirements to prevent incidents and ensure safe containment. Segregation of incompatible goods is fundamental to preventing dangerous reactions. For instance, flammable liquids should be stored separately from oxidizing agents. Use fire-resistant barriers and spill containment systems for added safety. Maintain appropriate storage conditions, including temperature and humidity control. Regular inspections are vital for identifying hazards and ensuring compliance. Ensure signage and labelling are up to date and clearly visible. Documentation is crucial for managing the storage of dangerous goods. A comprehensive approach to storage management minimises risks and ensures safety, navigating the road, rails, sea and air. Transporting dangerous goods is complex, with specific regulations for each mode. The ADG Code ensures safe movement of dangerous goods across Australia. Road transport is the most common mode for dangerous goods. Rail transport moves large quantities over long distances. Sea transport is vital for international trade. Air transport offers rapid delivery, especially to remote areas. Section 2, Vehicle Standards and Driver Responsibilities. Maintaining high vehicle standards and ensuring drivers are appropriately trained are paramount for the safe transport of dangerous goods. The ADG Code sets stringent requirements for vehicles, covering design, safety, equipment, maintenance, and driver qualifications. These regulations aim to minimise risks and ensure safety for drivers, the public, and the environment. Vehicles must meet specific standards to contain potential hazards effectively. For instance, tankers carrying flammable liquids must have flame-proof electrical systems and emergency shutdown devices. Vehicles transporting corrosive substances require resistant lining materials to prevent leaks or spills. Regular inspections and maintenance are crucial for ensuring safety features remain in optimal working order. The ADG Code mandates specific safety equipment for vehicles transporting dangerous goods. This equipment may include fire extinguishers, spill kits, emergency warning devices, PPE, and communication devices. The type and quantity of safety equipment vary depending on the class and quantity of dangerous goods. Drivers play a critical role and must hold specialised licences, undergo rigorous training, and conduct pre-trip inspections. This training equips drivers with the skills to handle dangerous goods safely and responsibly. They must follow designated routes, comply with speed limits, and take appropriate actions in emergencies. Drivers must interpret shipping documentation, recognise hazards, and communicate effectively with emergency services. The ADG Code emphasises driver training, awareness, and responsible conduct for safe transport operations. Emergency response plans. Planning for the worst is crucial in dangerous goods handling. These plans provide a structured framework for mitigating incidents and ensuring a swift response. Developing robust plans is a moral imperative. They outline actions for incidents, from minor spills to major fires. Regular reviews and drills ensure their effectiveness. The importance of a swift and accurate response. Incidents involving dangerous goods can still occur. Swift and accurate reporting is crucial for minimising harm and complying with regulatory requirements. Clear incident reporting procedures ensure thorough documentation and prompt action. The first priority is the safety of personnel and the public. Report incidents to authorities as quickly as possible. The ADG Code outlines specific reporting requirements. Incident reports should provide a clear account of the incident, including the type and quantity of dangerous goods involved, a description of the incident and its cause, actions taken to mitigate the incident, and any injuries or environmental impacts. Photographs, videos, and witness statements provide valuable evidence. Timely and accurate reporting serves several important purposes. It enables authorities to track incidents, identify trends, and implement preventive measures. It provides data for businesses to improve safety procedures and risk management. Incident reports are crucial for insurance and legal purposes. Detailed records demonstrate a commitment to safety and transparency. Open communication and swift reporting transform incidents into learning opportunities. Thorough investigations uncover root causes and enhance safety protocols. Incident reporting is a valuable tool for continuous improvement in dangerous goods management. Mastering the ADG code, a shared responsibility for a safer future. Navigating dangerous goods transport is a shared responsibility that safeguards our communities and environment. The ADG code provides a framework for handling, storing, and transporting dangerous goods safely. Safety is an ongoing journey of awareness, vigilance, and continuous improvement. It requires collaboration and a shared commitment to safety among all stakeholders. By working together, we can create a safer environment for everyone.